Mga kaibigan, para sa aming agaw eksena ay sinubaybayan ng Star Talk ang paghatid sa huling hantungan kay 2009 Binibining Pilipinas International Melody Gershback. Kanina pong alas 9 ng umaga, sinimulan ang misa sa Holy Mary Memorial Chapel. Ito po ay sa Angeles City sa Pampanga, kung saan lumaki at nag-aral si Melody. Ang nasabing misa ay dinluhan ng mga kaanak, kaibigan at kapwa beauty queens ni Melody, at kabilang na dyan si 2010 Miss Universe 4th runner-up na si Maria Venus Ra. Mga kaibigan, matapos po ang misa ay inihatid ang mga labi ni Melody sa Holy Mary Memorial Park at panandali ang binuksan ang casket ni Melody upang sa huling pagkakataon ay masilayan ng kanyang pamilya ang kanyang mga labi. At kaninang bandang alas 11:30, kanina lamang ng umaga again ay nailibing ng pungtuluyan at namaalam na ang bansa kay 2009 Binibining Pilipinas International Melody Gershback. Mula po sa Star Talk, nakikiramay po kami sa pamilya ni Melody. At syempre, life goes on pa rin, no? At usapang beauty contest, aming poll question, kayo po ba'y pabor na gumamit ng interpreter ang kandidata ng Pilipinas sa mga international beauty contest? Ito po gagawin nyo, ang A, oo, ang B, hindi. To vote, just type react space A or B and send to 4627 for all networks. To register, type react space and send to 4627 for all networks. At ito na, Claudine Barreto, nagsalita tungkol sa alitan nila ni Angelica Panganiban, kaya abangan niya sa pagbabalik ng Star Talk at Richard Gutierrez at Ann Curtis. Posible nga bang maulit ang tamis at sa tambalan nila sa pelikula, kaya ito panoorin nyo.
I think I will be able to nail something like that again, or even more.
So it was stepping out of a comfort zone, and I like challenges like that.
Hanggang ngayon ay pinipilahan pa rin ang pelikulang In Your Eyes na pinagbibidahan ni Richard Gutierrez, Ann Curtis at Claudine Barreto. Kaya naman sa kanilang victory party last Thursday, marami ang nagtatanong kung posible nga bang maulit ang tambalang Richard Ann sa pelikula.
It was fun working with Ann and Claudine, of course, and we had a great time shooting. Maraming tao ang natuwa rin sa team up namin. So I think there's a strong possibility dahil maganda ang working relationship ng Viva Films and GMA Films. So hopefully in the near future.
Agree.
Maraming nakakakilig at nakakaantig na eksena sa In Your Eyes. Pero ang favorite scenes ni na Richard at Ann.
My favorite scenes. I have to say the one na nasa Rodeo Drive kami.
Yeah,
that was fun. Fun kasi yun eh. Of course, yung confrontation. And yung jeep scene. Kasi yun yung out of the box moment ko.
Yes.
Out of the box moment ko yun. So, it was stepping out of a comfort zone. And I like challenges like that.
Ako, yung sa jeep din na scene namin ni Ann, because I think that's parang it sets the tone of the relationship ng characters namin. It was young and playful. I was happy na we were able to execute that scene, and at the same time a bit like awkward dahil my whole family's watching. So, but in totality, I'm very happy of the movie. Very happy of the scenes.
Pero kaya ba ni Richard na gumawa uli ng ganong eksena o mas daring pa doon?
Given the right project, the right actors, leading lady, director, I think I will be able to nail something like that again, or even more.
Samantala, nahaharap ngayon sa isang matinding issue sina Claudine Barreto at Angelica Panganiban na parehong kaibigan ni Ann. Hindi ba naiipit si Ann sa gusot ng dalawa?
Well, I guess the good thing about it is they're both my friends and they don't talk to me about it. Kasi siguro alam nila na they're both my friends. So, ayoko na rin alamin. Wala, no comment kami. Ang ganda ng In Your Eyes.
Showing pa rin hanggang ngayon ang In Your Eyes in over 100 theaters nationwide. It also opened in Vienna, Austria last August 22. And it will be shown in Scarborough, Ontario, Canada on August 27 to September 9 at Scarborough Town Centre. In Mississauga, Ontario, Canada in September 10 to 23 at the Empire Theatre Square 1. In Dubai on September 12 onwards at the Cinestar Cinema, Dera City Center. And will premiere in Guam on September 12 with a regular run beginning September 19. Sa mga kapuso natin here and abroad, hindi nyo dapat palampasin ang movie event of the year, ang In Your Eyes, handog ng GMA Films and Viva Films.
Dito walang tinitig, back! Walang ino-okray dahil lahat bida dito sa Rampage! Unang Rampage! Pacific Rims by Raph Bartholomew, book launch and book signing held at National Bookstore Super Branch Cubao last Saturday, August 25. Rampa tayo as Coca-Cola announced its new team name and image as a new breed of tigers by Powerade. Feel good naman kami as we go to the Jolly Good Times Teen Fair held last Thursday sa SMX Convention. Go tayo for the first and only VIP Movie Club exclusive to celebrities and media personalities in the country today, ang SM Cinema Celebrity VIP Club.
Guard, and we're very happy to have this working relationship with SM because they've been expanding, they've been growing, and they're the #1 theater chain dahil when we have movies, talagang the bulk of the receipts come from their malls. So we're very happy to have a good working relationship with them, and we support also their endeavors.
Siyempre nakakatuwa, di ba, na meron silang VIP card, tapos pwede silang pumunta sa mga premiere nights, special screenings, at saka mga movies na gusto nilang panoorin in any SM theater.
Whoops! Yan muna for now.